audiences haven't seen before? Or marami po kaming makikitang ganun sa pelikula?
Hirap naman ang tanong.
Nag-wink po ba yung yung mga cameraman?
Not just once, but twice,
Oh.
but thrice.
Okay.
Ito naman kasi pauso eh.
Ako dito sa...
Was it intentional, direct, yung if ever?
The wigs?
No, yung pag-highlight ng yung mga ibang aspects na hindi pa nakita.
No. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't make scenes, particular scenes just to highlight the galing of an actor. No, I don't do that. All the scenes that are highlighted are maybe because it's needed in the story. Just like in our lives, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang highlights. No, your highlights might be different from the highlights of another person. And with Cisco and Cheska, they have their own highlights. Not because I want them to look good on the screen or to appear as very good actors. Hindi yun eh. When I sat down with them, I remember, before we started the film, I sat down with them. I never said I would make them great actors. I asked them, let's tell a good story. We work hard for this, for your characters, para maisabuhay natin ang kwento ni Cisco at ni Cheska, para sa tamang kwentong gusto natin ibahagi sa mga tao. So whether mananalo ka ng award dito o hindi, that's not my intention. My real intention is pakita yung totoong nararamdaman ng mga taong katulad ni Cisco at ni Cheska. That's how we work. That's how I work.
And that, that's a mark of a great storyteller. You're not just a director, you're a great storyteller, direct. We're just talking about you, kami ni Sir Happy.
Ganon.
Yes, pero good things. Good things. Di ba? On how you command the area, kung paano niyo ginagawa yung pagdidirect sa mga actors. You say something to one actor, then sa kabila. Can you elaborate on that, sir?
Actually, no, the process, our process. I was actually telling Don and Mel, diba, on the side, diba? I like Direk Cathy's process kasi, even if you got the scene already, ako, feeling ko sometimes nakukuha na namin yung scene eh. Nakikita mo si Direk, sapa. Diba? Tama ba, Direk?
May hinahanap ang iba si Direk.
Oo eh. Tapos, ako naman, hinahanap rin. Okay na, Direk ah. Hindi. Ito. Tapos may adjust siya whether nakatikwas na buhok na siyang mismong ganyan. Or whether makeup na makapal na gaganyanin. Or whether it's in sa pag-arte namin. Or sa tono, or sa level namin. Basta may gagalawin siya, may tweak siya sa may papadagdag sa'yo ng konting lines. And when you do the next take, it works. You see how it works. So like, I like the process. I mean, di ba? Huwag ka makontento sa isa. Pinipigan yung scene until alam niya na, okay, ito na yung nakuha ko yung pinakamaganda. Or at least may mapagpipilian ako sa mga nakuha ko. And I like the process. Yun sasabi ko. That's a trait of a really good storyteller.
And that's your magic, di ba?
So, kasi idadagdag ko lang, nag-i-edit na siya nun sa isip niya eh. Pinagsasama-sama na niya.
Para mukha ko.
Ha? Iba pala yun. Hindi, pero ang maganda rin kasi dito, Rob, marami rin kasing director eh. Ito si FP, director. Ito si Direk Cathy, syempre, sina-direct Jun Lana, Direk Mike. Ay, hindi pala, sorry.
Sila yan. Si Mia at si Never yan.
Ayun nga, ang ganda ng collaboration dito sa amin.
Ginawa mong swaray ng mga direktor dito.
Hindi, gusto ko lang matawa lang itong mga nasa harap para masaya.
Oo.
Hindi, but yun si Direk Cathy kasi na talagang hindi siya hanggat hindi talaga perfect.
Yeah.
Yung perfect,
She does not settle.
ikaw siya, di ba? Hindi, pero yun yung sinasabi ni Effie. Kung paano mag-direct si Direk Cathy, hindi siya yung, pwede na yan. Automisan sinasabi.
Okay na yan.
Automisan sinasabi.
Ayoko na.
Pero
Wala.
alam natin,
Teka,
Wala.
tinataas natin si Direk Cathy.
pero alam natin, may nakuha na siya na gusto
Oo.
niya.
Okay.
Kasi mga take 25 na.
Marami na. Yun nga eh, yun yung magic talaga ni Direk Cathy. May hinahanap siya na hindi natin minsan nakikita. Pero Direk, circling back, before we ask Sir Evie, no? Let's make it simple, the question. Tayo sa wakas, ano ang kwento nito?
I've been thinking about that. In fact, prior to this, nag-usap-usap, paano ikikwento, I realized, ang daming angulo mo pwedeng tingnan ng pelikula to. We can say that it's a trip. It's a trip of two people para alamin kung talaga bang sila ay dapat matapos na or magpatuloy pa. I can say it's about someone who wants to reach a dream. Pero anong gagawin mo kung ang kalaban mo sa pag-abot ng pangarap na yon ay ang kauhan mo? There are many things. This story is just, ano yan eh, parang pagkain lang yan. Iba-iba tayo ng pagtingin, iba-iba tayo ng take. And to me, simply put, it's a journey, of two people who loved, got hurt, and eventually found themselves and found love again. Just like how I envisioned all of my films, that you come out of the cinemas wanting to love and loving life again. So no matter how it started, no matter how pangit the journey was, at the end of the day, you always choose love.
That's great. That's great. And we should love not just the film, but to have that feeling of loving again and again and again. Okay, thank you so much, Direk Cathy. Sir Epi, talking about journeys, no? You've been with Donnie and Belle, circling back 4 years ago for
Yes.
this movie, An Inconvenient
An
Love.
inconvenient love. Yeah.
Diba? Ano ba yung nakita niyong growth this time or differences sa kanila
Actually,
ngayong nakasama sila for this movie?
For this film, parang late, hindi naman late comer, pero they started production already when they joined. Di ba? Parang gano'n, di ba? Parang, well, actually, dumating ako sa set thinking na, okay, ang character ko will be, okay, ano to? Rom-com. And then, I was doing the scenes, okay, so mga unang scenes kita, but eventually, as we go along, yung araw na yun, yung first day ko, parang heavy na itong material. Medyo may heavy. Kasi hindi siya yung ina-expect ko na Don Bell film na 4 years ago na ginawa ko. So on the side, si Bell at si Don, nakikita talagang they talk to me about their roles. Sabi ko, parang mabigat yung ano. And then eventually, na-realize ko, mabigat talaga. May lalim yung material. Malalim yung material at ayoko na magkwento kasi baka makakwento ko yung ano eh, mga hindi
Opo.
dapat eh.
Office tayo.
Opo,
Kasi
kasi
sabi
po,
ko lang it's a good film for yung 7 years na pinagdaanan ng Don Bell Love Team. This is a good peak nung Don Bell. That's what I can say. And these two, of course, given the guidance of Direk Cathy, I believe they're giving it 110% each time they are in front of that camera. And I know that because even on the sideline, hindi mo nawala yung kulit ng dalawa. Like, mas on point sila with everything that they do. And again, with Direk Cathy's process, yung squeezing them out, lalabas talaga yung peak ng Don Bell, at least yung love team na dito sa pelikula to.
For this film, no?
Direk, sinasabi ka Direk para kinukontra mo.
Direk.
Kasi po may madaldal ditong bata.
Direk, nagtanong po.
Ayan. Kasi, kwento mo!
Nagtanong po si Sir Epi kung anong story. Siyempre ako.
Wala akong hindi naman yung sasabi ko yung mga eksena natin.
Hindi, kung bakit nyo nga na-sense na mabigat siya. Remember,
Because
Tapos tumatakbo na siya sa akin. Direct na sabi ko, ba't mo sinabi? Nagtanong po. Oo! Kasi,
Ang bait mo talaga.
lahat po ng cast, there is something in the film that is not worth telling it to you now. That only Van, Don Bell, and I know. May isa nakalusot, si Epi. Not even Joras and the rest
Direct.
know.
nobody knows. Yeah.
Tapos sinabi ko, paano sinabi? Nagtanong po eh.
Direct may mga
Ako
may mga
alam ko
scenes
mabigat
na
talaga.
may mga scenes na hindi
yung
nila
wait.
alam yung ano. Hindi nila alam yung nangyayari kasi sila. So, may mga ganon. So, marami kayo talagang i-expect sa pelikulan to. Dahil ako, nagugulat ako biglang, iba ang script mo, ha? Ito yung binemorize ko.
Welcome to my set!
May,
Bakit ka ni
may
Direk?
secret ako na hindi nila alam.
Ganun si Direk. Iba yung script niya, iba yung script ko, tapos mag-actions, lahat kami hindi namin nangyari. Pero
Eto lang,
parang
ha?
kasi yun ang
Ito
eksena.
lang yung sabihin, galing pa kami sa gata.
Kanina.
Kanina lang, I think yung huling beses namin magkita alas 2 ng umaga sa taas ng Sea of Clouds. At ang ganda na eksena namin ni Tony, and I will tell you, abangan yan. Basta yung eksena na yun, napakaganda. Madulas na, pero
Madulas na.
wala akong sinabi. Ganda na eksena namin ni Tony.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung anong aabangan na isa sa mga big scenes doon sa pelikula at sa
Hindi ito, may maganda rin kami scene. Ano. So I'm just really privileged to be working with these guys kasi in a way I've seen their growth. No? So hindi constant, but I was part of a film na ginawa namin 4 years ago. And I'm really honored to be part of this film. Of course, under Direk Cathy's leadership. No?
Thank you.